Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michelle. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Okay.
You're 18. Yeah. I'm gonna give it the baby. So sweet. Thank you guys for that. Microwave. Mish not working. Mish. I'm gonna look now. Yeah.
What's your dessert? Dessert.
Now we got food, guys. Yeah. We don't have candles, but there's.
I see that. That's adorable.
Aww.
Did you make that, Michelle? No. Did Costco make that?
Costco. That's right.
Yeah, we waited for that one. That's why we waited.
Kan dito mo hiwain, no?
Dito.
Come here.
Makasama nila.
Where you guys? Where did you guys go? Kami galing ladies meet pa eh. That's why we're late.
It's working.
Ha? Ayan si Maya.
Ayun o. Maya, say hi.
Rob said you're dad's second father.
Oh, yeah, he is.
Yeah. He's my boss.
Oh, yeah.
Starting next week.
Are you in the tire shop now?
Yeah, he took me again.
Oh.
Yeah. I've been there
There
last
you go.
year also, and then every winter
Oh,
because
yeah.
it's so crazy busy there.
Yeah.
We should have took a photo. And then tapos lalagyan mo ng mga fork na meron.
You guys want some? No, this is original.
Yeah. Nasa yung mga fork na may dala kong fork eh. Meron kami.
We're gonna take it home.
Tapos gaganin na nila.
So it's not working? I put it in.